Alright buddy, I'm gonna start the video with a this is a crank no start on my 98 Chevrolet. Well, in this case we have spark. I verified spark, and I just verified fuel pressure. It's empty now, of course, but we had the prescribed 60 pounds, so I'm not really sure what's going on, but I took the mass airflow sensor off, and let me show you what happens. So now it'll run without the mass airflow sensor on there, but of course it shuts off because the heater's looking for some signals. So I'm going to start directing my efforts towards the mass airflow circuits and do a visual inspection. Alright, so I'm bringing you back now. The only thing I did was clean the mass airflow sensor, make sure the connections were good. I thought I'd clean it and put it back together, see how we stand. And if it doesn't run, we'll start chasing down circuits and all that. But let's see what it does. Really, that's all it was? A dirty mass airflow sensor. I'm actually kind of surprised by that. But she runs. So, well, I like it when fixes are easy. So thanks for coming along and shop, guys. It's a pretty quick one, but that's good for me. Thanks.